Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. And today I want to talk about Macrophylla hydrangeas and how to prune them and how not to prune them. Let's take a look. One of the reasons why your mophead Macrophylla hydrangeas might not have bloomed is because the buds for the bloom year coming up got blasted by cold. So this is 2023. These are the bloom buds for 2024. If you were to cut this because you're like, oh, I don't like sticks, you're going to cut the blooms off and you're not going to get any blossoms. That's problem one. Or it could be if I get really cold in, say, January or February and these buds get desiccated, in other words, they get dried out from the cold and the wind, then it also won't bloom. And that happened in the past winter. One thing you can do, if you look at this time of year, so it's December, you see how nice and sort of, these have like a more of a brown with a little bit of burgundy in it, whereas these look more white. See the difference? These are dead. So this is the time of year I like to go in and get rid of the sticks that are truly prunable. So anything like this that is white and that snaps like that, right? This, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to ruin the buds, but that's not brittle. So these here can be taken out, and then you can clean it up. So it's a good time of the year to clean up your hydrangeas, but don't prune the buds. Don't prune the ones with the nice buds on them, or you will not get blooms next year, or if you do, they'll be very late. When I prune, I just carefully go in and take out the dead buds, not dead buds. When I prune, I just go in and take out right to the base. I just make a nice cut there. That one actually broke off, but that's how I do it. And we'll clean this up. I'll show it to you in a second. Let me clean it all up and we'll give you the view. Looking really different. You can see all those nice, healthy stalks there. Notice the difference. See how white they are? So those are dead. So we get this all cleaned up, and now I don't have to do it in the spring. And once this leaf's out, it's really difficult to do it. So good time of the year to kind of clean things up. The thing about the Macrophylla hydrangeas and many of those types is that their buds, their bloom blossoms for the next year, form in the summer of the previous year. So as I showed you, you have to be really careful about not pruning them. Otherwise, you will prune off the buds. But you can take off the dead wood and they look a lot better. And I find late fall, early winter, when there's no snow on the ground, like we have behind us, is a great time to do that. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.